You know what one of the problems is I started studying the functional patterns training system quite early on in what we were doing.
Then you're,
yeah.
Yes.
So they were always talking about, like muscle isolation and these kind of things. And I would always try and bring up the bigger picture, and they did not like that. I mean, I remember I heard that the year after I left, one of the head lecturers actually spoke to the new class that came in, and they were like, look guys, it's okay to ask questions, but just, don't challenge too much. There was this guy, Nicholas, who was here last year, who challenged the lecturers too much. And it's like, they basically told them, this is your box and this is where you must think. You can't think outside of that. But anyway.